Welcome back to another episode of Tech in the News. So today what we have is the release, or should I say leaking, of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. And for this particular article, what website? From phonearena.com, written by Daniel Petrov. We have here a oscillating view of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G in Mystic Bronze. And if you can look very closely, you can actually see a little thing that says EV leaks. So, it's not the official release, even though he does state in here, I believe, to gracing us with the official press runners at Galaxy Watch 3, got rotated in all other 364. Evan Blass from EV Leaks fame now proves that he is on a roll by leaking another one of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G Almighty. So I guess the person who leaked this has a pretty good reputation, so there's a good chance this is what it will look like based on that. First impressions, just looking at it, I think it looks good. I wouldn't get it though, if I'm being honest. And it's not just because I'm an iPhone user, but I don't know. The problem I always have with phones are curved edges, I guess. Maybe I'm a little old school. My favorite phone was always an iPhone 5. That was more of like a block kind of thing. It was slightly larger than the iPhone 4, but I just liked having those sharp edges so they are easier to grab versus these rounded ones. I feel like they tend to slip sometimes. But I do like the base. I do feel like, though, if you do drop it and crack it, I feel like the way it's set up is that the entire phone you can just pull it out the bottom, but that's just me. Let's just look at some other things he talks. Let's go down to the specs here. Galaxy Note 20 displays specs at 6.53 inches. It's got some pretty good pixel rating, 2,345 by 1084. 404 pixels per square inch. 5 to 9 aspect ratio, 60 hertz LTPS. Alright. It's alright, I guess. It's nothing fantastic. Battery capacity 4,300 milliamps, 18 watt charging. That's all right. Galaxy Note display specs. Oh, this is the Ultra. This is the one that we're talking about. Okay. That's a lot better compared to just the regular, not the Ultra. 120 hertz refresh rate. Interesting. I'm not sure what LTPO stands for. I'll have to look that up. Galaxy Note 20 Ultra battery capacity 4,500 milliamps, 25. Wow, that's a jump. It's probably got fast charging. So I guess with that being said, let's see here. What's his takeaway from this? For the throwing a little joke there. That's all right. For the flat screen lover, Samsung has prepared the Galaxy Note 20. But the Ultra model is pulling out all the stops of modern flagship phone design, with curved sides and seemingly great screen-to-body ratio. Do you like what you are seeing here? Let's read this. Gone is the dual-tone camera island of the S20 Ultra, and we can clearly see the huge monotone island on the back with the intriguing new focusing sensor and square lens opening of the periscope zoom that this time around may be branded as 50x, not gimmickly 100x space zoom. Okay. So that's good. I guess they fix that up. I guess overall, though, I think there's a specific group of individuals out there who like the Notes. I think those who probably... I know in the past I've always seen them for their cameras, as well as just the screen size. But it's a big phone. It's 7 inches. I think that goes up with the larger iPhones. But anyways, I guess my final takeaway is that it looks good. I think all new phones look good. Will it stand the test of time? No. Everything gets replaced eventually. I think this might just be, a good one of those. Oh, here's a phone I'll use for, the next 4 months, and I'll switch it out for another one for those kind of individuals. I don't think it's something that you're going to want to hold on for a long time. And that's my take, and that is Tech in the News for today, July 21st. Thank you for watching, and have a good one.